Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to monitor your credit score with Chase Credit Journey. It's a pretty simple process, pretty straightforward, and here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So first thing you want to do is to sign into your Chase account. Of course, you can do that online on the website, or you can do that on the mobile app. Once you're signed in, once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on credit cards and select credit journey. Now you're gonna need to review your credit score and report, and you can also track changes to your credit score over time. So when you're on credit journey, you can easily review your credit scores as well as your credit report. You can also track changes to your credit score over time, and you can also receive alerts and notifications when these changes occur to your credit report as well as your credit score. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to monitor your credit score with Chase Credit Journey. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.